Hey guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, it's Marissa again. So I am working. You see this frame? It is so gorgeous. Again, CHALK COUTURE. This is the Grayson 9x12 frame, and I think if I'm not mistaken, this is only $19.99, guys. It is such a good deal. I would like to work with buy the shoes. I've already cut it up and used it, played with it before. I can't wait to play with this. And you guys, before I forget, don't forget to join my Facebook group, VIP CHALK COUTURE with Scrapbooks Hawaii group in Facebook. And this is what I'm going to be playing with. So that's how I plan to work this out. Isn't that cute? I'm like loving it. I've already fuzzed this because like I said, I had used them already, but I'm going to fuzz them one more time because they're fairly new when I brought them out. The whole thing will be white, and then the accents will be the heels and sole of the shoes. So excited. Anyway, let me go ahead and start this. Let me fuzz this one more time because like I said, they were fairly new and I really don't want them to be sticking onto the frame, although they shouldn't, but just to be on the safe side. By the way, I already put down wrote down the backings for each of the templates that we're going to use. Life is short, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on here. We'll go here. Oh geez, let me fuss this one too. It's a little sticky. Life is short, buy the shoe. And then the shoe. Isn't that cute? The shoes are so pretty. Wait, fuzz it one more time. Once you use this several times, you don't really have to fuzz them anymore. It's just that I'm a little worried that I'll have a hard time lifting this later. Woohoo! Okay, let's squeegee out make sure there's no bubbles so that you won't get any fuzzing. This one is especially important because there's a lot of pukas in it, or holes in it. You want to make sure that everything is stuck down, especially since you have all these details here. Make sure it's all stuck down. Okay, I think we're ready. Ready, Freddy. I want to start with the shoe. Oh no, you know what? I'm going to start from the top down. Okay, we'll start with Life is Short. When you're using a sharp object like me, please be careful so you won't scratch the template or the transfer or your frame. Ooh, that is so cool. Every time, guys, every time. I'm like excited. Okay, now let's go for the shoes. Watch, I just used this. This is all I'm using now after I stirred the paste. And this should be plenty. And scraping off the excess onto the jar. Be careful to not go outside the template, and be careful of your streaks. Make sure you don't have any streaks on the silk screen. Sorry, can't talk and do stuff at the same time. That is so cool. And then there's a few more, a little bit more here on the thing, on the multi-tool. So let's use that. See how much or how less of the paste you actually end up using here. That's it. Scrape off the excess. Woohoo! Okay, I'm gonna be nervous on the next one. Now we're doing the shoes. Okay, I want to mix this up really well and bring in a gob. Hold on, before I do that, I want to make sure. One more round, guys, just because I'm a little nervous about this. One more round. A lot of gobs. A gob of paste. Taking everything from the multi-tool here. Ooh, that's a lot of paste. A lot of paste. Revelation time. Let's reveal. Let's reveal. Oh, every time, guys. Every time. Woohoo! Okay, guys. We are going to dry this, and then we're going to go for the next step, which is what my daughter calls the Louis Vuitton look. We're going to use red for our next step. Be right back. We're going to hair dry it. I know, we're going to use the hair dryer to dry it. Be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I hope this is dry enough. I don't know if you can see it, but let me go ahead and take this shoe sole and let me fuzz it for twice so we'll get two stuck, and then line it. And you can line it by seeing through and lining it on the pukas like that. Perfect. That's where we need it. And then we take the heels and line the heels right here. Okay, we're gonna have to cover the heel. Oh, let me just fuzz it one more time because it's stuck. I mean, it's too sticky. Line it from the top down. You want to see the... There you go. That's perfect. Again, be careful. Make sure there's no... I like using my squeegee because I know that it should take out all the bubbles, and there won't be any fuzzing. I already mixed my candy red, and let's start with the heels or the sole. Again, this is red, so any darker paste of CHALK Couture can and will stain, or I should say will stain your transfers, but that shouldn't affect the way it performs. So I think that's good. So we're gonna do this again on the other side. Okay, the reveal, guys. Ta-da! Tan, 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 tan! Isn't that cool? I love it. CHALK COUTURE, look how easy it is. The longest it takes is to make sure that the paste is well stirred, and then of course the drying time. The prepping may be a bit, but you know, you're prepping and you know it's something that it's gonna come out really cute. And there you guys go. What do you think, Gian?
I like it.
You like it? I like it too.
We gotta do seashells.
Yeah, we'll wait for seashell transfers.
Mermaids.
Oh yeah, that'll be cool. I wonder,
The tail.
they're bringing a lot more designs coming up in spring and summer, so I'm excited about that. But here you guys go. The website, my website to order the products is down in the description below. And if you'd like to join my team, please let me know. Join my, also if you are interested in ordering and getting some kits, some good deals. I have my VIP CHALK Couture with Scrapbooks Hawaii group in Facebook. Please join that, and I will be giving out really good deals on kits. And yep, that's it, guys. Enjoy your day, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.